You'll never guess what. Have a look at this. It's only the blooming sun, isn't it? It's finally out. Let's get the top down on the car. However, there is a little problem. I went to lower the top and it ain't going down. It keeps saying the boot separator, and it is a really common fault. And it's nothing, I don't think, to do with the sensors. It's just down to the fact that you get moisture in the boot, and I've probably got a dirty connection. So let's have a look and see if we can't get this top down on the SL today, as it's a lovely day. So as you can see, the boot separator's down. I get the old. So let's get into it. Now, in any convertible, unfortunately, it's one of those things, you are going to get a bit of moisture no matter how well you try and seal it. Look at this. I've even got grease on the seals here because it tends to leak just at the joints where it pivots. And even though it's fairly dry in here, a little few drops here and there, you tend to get corrosion on the contacts. I even use these. I just leave these in the boot. These are those, look at the size of that, it's a silica bag. You know, the ones that absorb moisture? Anything really, just to try and keep the moisture at bay. And just here, this little switch is the problem. So let's try and open that up and see if there's anything dirty inside. And I bet you any money, there's a little bit of verdigris. That's that green corrosion on it. So let's undo the star fitting. Notice the whiteness around it. That's a telltale sign that you're getting a bit of moisture in there. Okay, there's a funny arrangement here with this little rubber collar. Kind of just push it up slightly and you can kind of get to the plug at the back. And there it is there. Yeah, straight away. See that green? Get a bit closer with the camera. You can just about see that there. That green should not be there. And when the button's getting pressed by the boot separator, it doesn't know that it is. So let's get that cleaned. Also, look at the pins at the back. You make sure they're nice and clean as well. There we go. Yeah. So inside where the plug connects, I can see one of those pins is a little bit green. So get yourself a nice little flat screwdriver and just give it a little clean. Just be careful you don't break the pins, because then you'll be in a world of pain. Right, let's do the same for the plug. Got a nice little thin bit of wire here, and I can get in there and just give that a little poke. Might even just double it up so it's a bit thicker. I'm tempted actually to make a better connection than this, and that way, if I get any problems in the future, after all this car is 22 years old, I can get in there and clean the points a bit easier. Right, let's pop it back together again then. Fingers crossed. God, I love that time of the year. It's like the first warm day in spring. And you get that warm smell in the air. And you know summer's around the corner. Love it. Good. Right. Let's get the plug in. Okay, I'm going to unplug it and plug it in a couple of times just to kind of get rid of any green algae. All right, screw back on. She's getting old, 22 years old. And you've got to have a bit of respect for your elders. A little bit of TLC and she'll be fine. Now you can obviously bypass that, you'll be a fool to do it. The whole point of the boot separator is to save your roof, because the space envelope in here has to be just right for that roof to fold down, otherwise you're going to end up cracking the glass. So you can imagine if you didn't have the boot separator down and you had something sticking up like the corner of a suitcase, it could pop your glass at the back there. So the only reason you would bypass it is simply to test the circuit. But I've got confidence that that's what the problem is, because I've had this issue once before. And as this is the first time I've had the roof down since last summer, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Right, silica bags, let's get those back in there again. All right. Closed. Closed. Let's have a look. See how we get on. Right. Ha ha ha! I think we're working. Oh, ho, 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 ho.